Hello and welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a bit less exciting than usual. We've got to start stripping this hallway behind us, all the wallpaper, ready to be plastered. So yeah, that's what our plan is today.
Currently just waiting for breakfast.
Yeah, we've had to order a McDonald's breakfast.
You don't have to do it. Yeah, it's going to be a bit of a long one. WOODCHIP is never easy and it's on the stairwell, so it's pretty high up, so it's not great.
So we're doing that today because we're waiting for the materials to do to brick the old back door up. So while we're waiting for materials, we're gonna start doing the other jobs that we don't like getting round to. So
yeah, we normally go for a walk on a Saturday, but it's like really bad weather, so we're just sort of hanging out by the window waiting for our Uber Eats to come.
Yeah.
It's so sad.
Okay, so as today isn't a very eventful day, we thought we'd just talk through what our plans are for this year with the house. We've spoke about this privately and we've both decided we want to try and get this done this year.
It's going to be a push, but...
Yeah, if not 90% done.
Yeah, so that means like, because obviously we've got a lot of work outside the house with the garden. Haven't got a drive yet, so it might mean that a few bits are kind of not ready.
But yeah, that's kind of our goals for this year. We want to just mainly get the house done, and we really want to keep going with this YouTube.
Yeah, we've also started a blog recently, which is completely free, but we're kind of blogging our experience in our house and then a few like DIY bits, like what we've learned, how to plaster, building the wardrobes, tips on tiling, just stuff like that. So if you're ever needing to do a bit of DIY, then head over there and see if there's anything useful for you. We found that speaking to other people renovating their house is so useful to us. So if other people are kind of sharing their experiences and advice, it just helps everyone out, doesn't it? So got the big guns out. So we're ready to start, and I think Ewan's planning on not using the steamer for now and just getting the top layer of it off and then using the steamer afterwards to get the papery bit off. It's actually come off not too bad there, but I reckon it's because when he was wallpapering there, it wasn't very easy to stick on.
Yeah, but don't forget, it's coming off, but then this bit I need to go out again after with the steamer.
Yeah. Better start helping then, shouldn't I?
This is what it's looking like at the minute. It's just a horrible job to do. We've put that sheet down there just to stop the dust from going everywhere else.
Just got this little section here and this little section here. Gives me a miserable face, like nah. Bored? Keep getting distracted now because we stopped and yeah, we need to get going again. So what's the plan? Are we gonna try and finish that, or
we've got two patches where we can't reach from the top of the stairs and from the back, so gonna have to get the other ladders out, take that last bit of wallpaper off,
and then tidy up.
Yeah, we know you're having so much fun watching this.
Yeah, we've got the HelloFresh to look forward to. I'm gonna see if Ewan can make the nicest dish ever. I've chosen like dishes that we've never ever eaten before. I think we've got some sort of glazed chicken on wheat or something.
So we've took all the wallpaper off now. We decided we're going to take this off before we get it plastered. So I'm just going to go along with the standing blade and score all the way down, just so when we're pulling it off it doesn't take all the plaster with it. That's the plan anyway. So. That's what I didn't want to happen.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ.
Bloody hell.
Maybe that's how you're supposed to do it, I don't know.
Well, it didn't want to come out, did it? Jesus. So yeah, originally Ewan was trying to be careful with it because we're having it all plastered, and we didn't want to ruin the walls too much because they're in quite good condition. But yeah, it did take out a bit. Is what it is. Not awful. Had his work cut out for him, that one.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Oh no. Kira, please just hold it still.
You make it, set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration, and if I make a mistake it's called education. I try to